What's up drivers, welcome to Motorway Mondays, the series where I bring to you my various road trips. All of the footage that you'll see today from me is from Mowforth's brand new A119 Mini Pro. Please check out the links in the description to get yourself one of these or one of Mowforth's many other fine choices. Recently some odd jobs needed doing, so for one weekend only, I became a white van man.
Don't go on then, bitch. Go!
Why do they come out into the middle of the road? It's a Nissan Duke, that's why.
And then they stare at you. It's like, well, do you want me to keep going and going into your car?
I just can't win. No matter how much I spend on a car, I just can't fucking get a good run.
Yeah, there's no real way around it either, is there? You just got to get lucky.
I love that he shook his head at the cash card.
I know, I saw that. I always shake my head at people that don't know what they're doing as well.
Two things to spot in this clip. Firstly, the person crossing who appears to have shit themselves, and how far back a texting van driver was holding up traffic.
Is it free to play?
No. Oh. But it was on offer when I bought it for like £7.
She shit herself. Sorry.
She didn't look like she shit herself.
She did, didn't she? What's he doing?
Texting.
Oh my god, you see the queue?
Yeah!
Oh, can you clip that?
Lock the video.
The next day.
Oh, it's typical, that, isn't it? Wrong gear. There we go.
Here we go.
It's a good thing you're sat there, because I fully would have grabbed Jake's penis by now.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know how much you think of Jake, but I don't think he would have done you fine.
But,
well, I couldn't help but it was a penis joke, Jake. Let me live. Your penis is very nice.
Yeah,
they all make.
That's weirder than the insult.
But I don't know what you want from me then.
I don't know.
Once we'd made it to IKEA, I got repeatedly confused despite the very clear markings and signage and had a mini heart attack due to the height restriction.
Yeah,
wait, which one are you getting?
Oh, I bet there's an underground.
Ah, that's the entrance, I've just driven past it. Cool. Right, we'll fix it. Yeah, that's way too many markings in one space.
We get through
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't know actually.
No.
Can I?
No. Maybe.
Yeah, well, we're in.
Oh,
Fuck.
That would have been a bit close.
yeah, it would, wouldn't it?
Where do we go?
I don't know, I've just come around here by default, but I think we might need to go in there.
We're going to have to go around again.
Oh, my arsehole's never puckered so much in my life. But, I mean, look at it, it's
I
like...
know.
Ah! Go on, you're already gone, go on. A bit late to stop now.
Your nose is out, man.
Lock the video. Right, I will check the space at the rear before deciding on this.
Okay.
Where's the handle?
How do I get out?
Oh, I'm fully in, nice one.
Sweet.
Later.
I was intimidated at first because I was like,
It's just
I
a
don't
different,
know what
it's a
I'm
different
doing.
way of shopping.
Yeah.
Instead of grabbing as you go, you just make a note of it, get it later. Which means you're not encumbered the whole way around. Right.
Exit pickup point. Is that what it means, do you think?
It must be.
Hello. Go on.
Yeah, you go, love, don't you worry. Because you
Don't worry about the giveaway markings or anything. Joining the M62 from Leeds proved to be quite squeaky bum, as what you can't see outside the frame of the dashcam is a truck which was going much quicker than I was. Speed!
Are you spreading more than on the way
No,
here?
I'm not. You've got wider, clearly.
I have not got wider.
Come on, little van! Just about managed to make it up to truck speed.
Ah, love it.
Oh,
Well done.
that was horrifying. That's not what you want to see when you're trying to merge onto a motorway, is a truck going twice as quick as you are. Is there any chance you could just tell me if I'm going to hit that?
Oh god, hang on, I'll get out.
I was going to say, yeah, you might have to get out. Plenty of space.
Getting a dip into Jake's sex life there.
What?
Now.
What?
Now.
You're mocking my little action.
I am.
Once Emma was done being a mucky bitch, we had a little photo shoot. Cool, we're just doing that, are we?
Yeah.
Jesus. lock the video. In these next two clips, if you listen really carefully, you can hear the van's heartbeat. I'll explain. For some reason, most vehicles built after 2020 think that they're in Wales.
Wait,
what's that?
It's a fucking dirty road, you dick!
Oh!
It's just a van thinking it's 20 miles an hour everywhere.
Well, that's his little heart thing, no, calm down. It's like, no, you calm down. I don't know what that guy was doing. Look.
it's not 20 mile an hour road.
Calm down.
Yeah, it's not.
I will see it. What are you doing? Oh, I see what you're doing.
Corner danger.
Danger.
I thought it was
That's
not
what
far up where.
that is what a horn is actually for.
Yep.
Stuff like that. Not for being you're a dick.
Yeah, no, get the fuck out of my way! Really good shopping experience, to be fair. What on earth are you doing, you fucking wankster?
Yes, very Christmassy. We're feeling super festive. Imagine she said no.
As a conclusion to this video, I just want to once again thank Mowforth for dishing me a free A119 Mini Pro to use during my errands, and also shout out to Foxy Rentals for being super friendly and easy to deal with. I very much enjoyed my time driving the brand new Citroen Dispatch, a lot more than I thought I would. But anyway, that's all from me for today. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, hype and share this video, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. Peace!